Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your slower download speeds on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing we want to do is just check our downloads folder right here. And we have the option to select downloads and pause them or clear them out. So let's say we got 4 or 5 different updates. Just pause the ones you don't want to download. So just go it and then pause it. And then the one that you do want to download, you could always just pause it and then resume it. Sometimes that will actually make it download a little bit quicker. Then also you can close games in the background too, and that will make it download quicker, especially if you're playing an online game. I believe that will throttle your download in the background, so your connection to like Call of Duty or something will be better when you're actually playing. So just a heads up, if you're going to be playing an online game, it'll probably throttle it. So let's go on down now to settings and go to network. And sometimes PlayStation Network actually goes down, and this could be causing a connection issue. So you can just go to View PlayStation Network Status right here, and just make sure everything is up and running. Looks like everything's good. And then we can go over to Settings, go to the right, and go to Set up Internet Connection. Now, if you're going to be playing over Wi-Fi, you want to connect to 5G or 6G if you have that option with the PS5 Pro. And to see if you have one of these connections, just go to the Wi-Fi frequency bands and just switch it over to 5G and connect to one of those Wi-Fis and see if that's a little bit better for you for the speeds. Now, another thing is, if you're going to be playing, you want to play with a wired LAN cable for sure if you have that option. So plug a cable into your router, plug it into your PlayStation, go to Setup Wired Connection right here, and set this up. And this could literally just double your connection speed just by having a LAN cable connected over Wi-Fi. It's actually quite impressive how much better this is. So if you have that as an option, wired LAN is a must. Then go to your currently connected internet, press options on it, and go to advanced settings. Scroll on down to DNS settings right here, switch this from automatic to manual. And then for the primary DNS, type in 8.8.8.8. Then for the secondary DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. And that will connect you to that DNS and see if that actually fixes your issue. We can go back now and test out our internet speeds. If we go up to the top to internet status right there, there will be an option to test that out. And then you can see how fast it is. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.